Hi, I am Luisa. In this video, I'm going to show you the sewing features of the app. You can not just edit the stitches, but you can also combine them and create your own stitches. If you select Sewing on the home screen, the sewing interface opens. At the bottom, you'll find the same stitch categories and stitches as on the B59. Stitches can be easily adjusted on the mobile device. Combining stitches is also very intuitive, making it quick and easy to create combinations. With the built-in Stitch Designer, you can modify existing stitches or design your own. To modify an existing stitch, select the stitch and open the Stitch Designer. You can now delete single stitches. You can also move stitches individually. This way, each stitch can be customized as you like. To create your own stitch from scratch, you can open a background image. Then draw along the shape. Make sure to set the start and end points of the design so that a continuous pattern is created. Once the stitch or stitch combination is ready, simply send it to the connected B59 and sew. Make sure the machine is in edit mode. The app also includes a creative consultant. After selecting the desired technique and fabric type, recommendations for the stitch, presser foot, thread and needle are displayed. Once confirmed, the suggested stitch opens with the recommended settings. Now you know all embroidery functions of the app. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and like. You'll find more inspiration on bernette.com.